You've just spent an entire weekend at a live tournament. Travel, hotel, entry fees, time off work. And right now, most families are going home and doing absolutely nothing. That's the biggest mistake in recruiting because the next 72 hours matter more than the entire weekend you just had. And guys, I'm Coach Keith Mondillo, and I spent 31 years as a college basketball head coach and director of athletics. I've recruited thousands of athletes, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you should be doing right now before that window closes. Here's what college coaches are doing right now while you're sitting at home. They're back on campus in their offices, they're reviewing notes, watching film, they're meeting with their staffs, comparing notes, and managing the transfer portal decisions in real time. They're building their recruiting boards right now. The question is, are you on it? The first thing you need to do this week is to follow up with every coach who watched your kid play. Not next week, this week. Send a short email. Thank them for being there. Include updates, highlight clips. Share your upcoming schedule and express interest in a campus visit if that makes sense. Coaches see hundreds of athletes every single weekend. A well timed follow up email is what separates the families who stay on the boards from the ones who get forgotten. The second thing you need to do is rework your school list right now. Based on what you actually saw this weekend, be honest with yourself. Run every school through my 4-part fit test: your athletic fit, the academic fit, the social fit, and the financial fit. A school can love your kid's game and still be completely wrong for your family. If the finances don't work or your child will be miserable there, cross it off the list. The third thing is you need to look at your film. Is it current? Does it show your best moments from the weekend? Does it get to the strongest clips in the first 60 seconds? The answer is no. Fix it before sending anything to a coach. Outdated film hurts you more than no film. So here's the bottom line: the families who win the recruiting process don't stop working when the weekend ends. They know the real work starts when they get home. The window is open right now. Don't waste it. And if you're not sure what to say to coaches this week, I have two things for you. First, grab my free college recruiting Jumpstart pack. It's linked in my bio. It gives you a starting point to get organized right now. And if you want a complete word for word communication system, check out the College Coach Communication System. It gives you exactly what to say, when to say it, and how to make sure coaches remember your child for the right reasons. The link is in my bio, or go visit keithmondillo.com. And remember, I am not a recruiting service. I'm an educational organization that guides families through the college athletic recruiting process. Take care.